Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for breakthrough tech insights. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup and its new display sizes that are set to redefine what we expect from Apple's flagship devices. Last year, Apple tweaked the iPhone 16 Pro screen sizes to make them larger than the 2023 iPhone 15 Pro models. And this year, rumors are swirling that the iPhone 17 series will push the envelope even further with changes to its display dimensions. According to multiple sources, the standard iPhone 17 model could feature a 6.3-inch display, up from the 6.1 inches of its predecessor, positioning it right in the middle between the smaller iPhone 15 and the larger iPhone 15 Plus, while also matching the size of the current iPhone 16 Pro. However, industry insiders suggest that Apple might eliminate the Plus model in 2025 altogether and introduce a slimmed-down version, possibly branded as the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to offer a display size falling between that of the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, with various rumors hinting at sizes like 6.55 inches, 6.6 inches, or even 6.65 inches, making it larger than the Pro but smaller than the Pro Max. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max models are expected to retain their current sizes of approximately 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches, respectively, but with significant design changes that go beyond just display size. The information reports that these Pro models will feature an aluminum frame replacing titanium, a hybrid half-aluminum, half-glass backing instead of an all-glass design, and a new pill-shaped or rectangular camera bump that marks a dramatic departure from previous iterations. In addition, Apple is planning to expand promotion to all iPhone models in 2025, meaning that even the iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air will be able to ramp up to a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and video playback, and also ramp down to as low as 1 Hz for an always-on display that conserves battery life while still showing the lock screen, clock, widgets, notifications, and wallpaper. Furthermore, there's an exciting unconfirmed rumor suggesting that the iPhone 17 Pro models may feature a new display technology known as Low-Dielectric TEE, transmission electrically enhanced, which, by using materials with low dielectric constants in the thin film encapsulation, could reduce signal interference and energy loss, thereby increasing power efficiency and extending battery life. On the durability front, the iPhone 17 is rumored to sport a scratch-resistant anti-reflective display that is purportedly more resilient than Apple's current ceramic shield. Some sources even suggest that Apple might adopt a technology similar to the Gorilla Glass armor used in Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra, although it is more likely that the latest generation ceramic shield, already twice as tough as any smartphone glass, will continue to protect Apple's devices. Additionally, one of the most talked about design upgrades comes from the Pro Max variant, which is expected to feature a significantly narrower dynamic island, thanks to the integration of a smaller metalens for the Face ID system. This metalens, characterized by its thin, flat structure with microscopic etch patterns, can focus light with exceptional precision and could finally allow Apple to refine one of its most iconic design elements since the debut of the dynamic island on the iPhone 14 Pro in 2022. Looking back at the evolution of iPhone screen sizes, from the 3.5-inch displays of the original iPhone through the incremental changes seen with the iPhone 5, iPhone 6 series, and up to the 6.7-inch display of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Apple has always been at the forefront of adapting to consumer preferences for larger and more immersive displays. And the iPhone 17 series seems set to continue that tradition while also addressing some of the shortcomings of previous models, such as the need for a more power-efficient always-on display and improved durability. With these enhancements, Apple aims to not only satisfy the growing demand for larger screens, but also to deliver a more seamless user experience through smarter refresh rate management, innovative low-dielectric display technologies, and design refinements that improve both ergonomics and aesthetics. Whether you're a longtime Apple fan or a tech enthusiast eager to see what the future holds, the iPhone 17's anticipated display upgrades, combined with a potential new rare variant that challenges the conventional segmentation of the iPhone lineup, promise to create a diverse range of options tailored to different user needs and budgets. As we await the official announcement, which is expected to come in 2025, all eyes are on how these changes will influence not only performance and battery life, but also the overall feel and usability of the device. The potential for a more immersive, efficient, and visually stunning smartphone experience is enormous. And if these rumors hold true, Apple could once again set a new benchmark in mobile technology. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the future of iPhone displays. And for more cutting-edge tech updates, reviews, and insights, be sure to subscribe to TechVerse, your go-to channel for all things tech innovation.